Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Folo's Kitchen. On this channel, I share my creativity of Nigerian, Finnish, and other recipes to the world. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. And if this is your first time of tuning in into my channel, you are highly welcome. And please remember to click the subscribe button so you get to see more of my video as it keeps coming. Also turn on the notification bell. On today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make tiger cake, which is also called Tiikerikakku in Finnish. And if you like to see how I made this, come along and let's get right into the video. Here are all the ingredients needed for this recipe. For this recipe, I'm going to be using margarine. If you don't have margarine, you can also use butter. But allow your butter to sit in room temperature for 30 minutes before you start preparing your cake mixture. As you can see, my butter is soft but not too soft. You would also need 1.8 liter ring pan. Then grease your pan with oil spray. Make sure to grease your pan very well so that it will be easier to remove when the cake is ready. So now I'm going to be preparing the cake mixture. Attach your wicks to the stand mixer. Put your margarine or your butter into the mixing bowl. Add your sugar, whisk at first on a low speed, then gradually increase your speed. Then now I'm going to be sieving other dry ingredients except cocoa powder. Pour the all-purpose flour into the strainer. Add your vanilla sugar, baking powder. Sieve continuously. Then set aside. Continue to mix your cake mixture. So now I'm going to be scraping down the mixture. You can also scrape the sides. Continue to mix. You can now increase the speed. Continue to mix until it is soft and it has a creamy texture. This should take about 30 minutes depending on the mixer you are using. You can see now that it's soft. So I'm going to be scraping it down a little bit. Now I'm going to be adding my egg into the cake mixture. I'll be adding it bit by bit. Increase your speed and mix continuously. Scrape the sides and continue to mix. Add other dry ingredients and cream alternatively. You can watch the entire process. I'm going to be scraping it down. And also scrape the sides of my bowl just to make sure that the ingredients are well combined. I will be adding the remaining half of the dry ingredients into the mixture. Continue mixing. I'm going to be scraping the sides of my bowl just to make sure that the ingredients are well combined. Then continue to mix. So now I'll be adding my cream into the mixture. Take 1/3 of the cake batter apart. Then sieve the cocoa powder into the 1/3 of the cake batter. Mix continuously and add your cream in between. The dark cake batter is ready. So now I'm going to be pouring light cake batter into the pan. As you can see, the cake dough is smooth. Add some dark cake batter on top. So I'll be pouring the light cake batter and the dark cake batter alternatively. Kindly watch the whole process. Add some light cake batter on top of the dark cake batter. So now I will be adding the remaining dark cake batter on top of the light cake batter. Use your spatula to spread it around a little bit. Then lastly, I'm going to be adding my light cake batter. Now I'm going to be using my spatula to level the cake dough. Anywhere I see that it's not well covered with the light dough, I try to cover it up. This is just what I'm doing here. Pick through the dough with a fork at every corner. So now I'm going to be baking the tiger cake. Put your dough into the preheated oven. Then bake the tiger cake at 175 degrees between 50 to 55 minutes. or until the cake is cooked through. Now I'm going to be checking the tiger cake if it's ready. Remove the cake from oven. You can pick through the cake with a toothpick. If it comes out dry, then our cake is ready. So now the tiger cake is ready. So I'm going to be placing the tiger cake on a parchment paper. Remove the cake from the pan. Cover with a cloth and let it cool. Now we have come to the end of today's episode. If you find this video interesting, do give it a thumbs up. Also check the description box for the measurement of the ingredients for this recipe. If you also have any question you want to ask, you can leave it in the comment section. Remember to also share this video with your family and friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.